Welcome to Advitiya. As part of Advitiya, we are also conducting poster presentation. For this poster presentation, Dharni Sai acting as a key organizer. Let us know more details about poster presentation by Dharni Sai. Hello Dharni Sai.
This is Darin Sai. I am the head of the poster presentation team. We have received 41 posters, and the presenters are presenting well. And we are invited to we are invited to judges, and they are deciding the prizes based on the poster and the marks for the presentation and questions and answers based on and total and based on total. Judges are decided by the prizes.
Challenges that you are facing through presentations.
No channels we are facing.
So how is the response from the participants?
Response is very good, and they are presenting very well.
So is there any drawback from the participants, like any poster presentation drawback while presenting their poster through explanation? Any drawback that you have observed or anything that you wanted to communicate with them to improve upon?
No, until now, no one is distracting from their presentations. They are very well, and until now, one presenter is absent.
Okay, thank you Dharni Sai. Thank you so much. Let us go inside of the poster presentation and know more details from the evaluators and from the participants. How is the poster presentation going so far?
It is going really nice up to now.
So any challenges that you are facing through the presentation?
No challenges. And the first of all thing is first years have participated well when compared to final years and third years. So it is really challenging for them how to prepare the presentations and how to deliver the content within the given time. Okay, they need some lot of improvement so that they can learn from here itself.
So from this presentation, any key point that you wanted to share with the students to improve upon?
Yes, we need to share more things after the completion of the presentations. Then I will share.
Okay sir, thank you so much.